Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. In this video, we're going to talk about crystals. I'm going to show you my crystals, talk about my experiences, and teach you how to use crystals in your everyday life. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. You don't want to miss it. Alright, welcome. Again, my name is Robert. This is the Infinite Cup. I teach you about spirituality, health, lifestyle. Get it all right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss a thing. Alright, crystals, are they just shiny rocks? This is way more than just new age hippie stuff, okay? This is real. The power of crystals is so profound if you learn how to use them, okay? So this is what's called a clear quartz crystal, alright? This is the base crystal of everything in existence. Think about technology, okay? Think about how we went from this right here. How did we create this phone? We had to take technology like a quartz crystal just like this in order to create this phone, okay? So really think about that. Think about in your everyday life, how did we get from this technology right here, just crystals coming out of the earth, to build something as smart as right here, an iPhone, right? These things right here are so important. They go hand in hand. You can't have a phone without crystals. So think about that. If we can take crystal technology and build an iPhone, think about what you can do with just a regular quartz crystal like this in your everyday life, okay? So if you want to learn more about crystals, I really highly recommend you get the Crystal Bible, okay? This book is really important. It tells you everything you need to know about crystals. I'll leave a link to it right in the description so you can just get it there, okay? So let's get into this, guys. Crystals, how do you use them in your everyday life, right? The best and easiest way that I would highly recommend is what you see right here, is just get a necklace. This is very simple. This is my amethyst crystal, and I think it's very important to put it on your skin as well. So I usually keep it right here. And you want to take crystals that are new to you. If you want to learn about their energy, okay, then you can just wear it on your neck like a necklace and learn to absorb the energy from the crystal. All right, another technique that I use is I take crystals just like this. I put it at the palm of my hands and I meditate with them, okay? So let's talk about the chakras, right? We know crystals are just energy, right? The best and easiest way to learn how to use crystals is to work with them on your chakras, okay? So let's take, for example, again, this amethyst crystal right here. Why am I wearing this amethyst crystal? I'm wearing this so I can develop my psychic abilities and develop my third eye, okay? The amethyst crystal right here is all about the intuition. This is also off of color, right? So if I want to activate a certain chakra or work on a certain chakra, I need to find that crystal that is going to work with that chakra and that energy directly, okay? So for myself in my life, I know about my chakras. I know which ones I need to develop. I know which ones I need to work on, which ones I already have that are very developed enough. So for me, I want to develop more psychic abilities. I want to develop more clairvoyance, all of those things. So what do I need? A amethyst crystal. And I wear it every single day, usually on my skin, just like this, and you're good to go. I'm absorbing the powers. I can literally feel the little tingly sensations going up to my third eye. Every single day, I use the power of crystals to manifest and to create a reality that I want, okay? That's the exact thing that I would recommend to you. All you need to do is get the Crystal Bible, okay? Figure out which crystals that are going to work with your chakras that you need to work on. The very rudimentary thing to think about, without getting too in-depth with this technology, is just think about colors, okay? I'm wearing a blue shirt right now. Something as simple as that is going to help my throat chakra because the throat chakra is blue. So crystals, you just take that to the next level, right? And you learn which crystals you need to work with to activate that chakra to give you those abilities in your everyday waking life, okay? So this is it. This is just an intro crash course to crystals. Tell me which crystals you guys are into. If you're already into crystals, I would love to hear more about it. Just leave a comment below. Maybe you're working on, your heart chakra and you want to have some rose quartz, I'll just give you a few examples. Tell me what crystals you're working with. Tell me what you're into. Do you like making crystal grids? I work with crystals every single day and I'm really curious what you guys do with crystals as well. So thanks guys for watching the video. Please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe below and I'll check you later. Blessings.